Going on holiday is one of life's great pleasures, but paying for it can be a challenge.
Joe and Sarah like holidays, so much so that they were planning to book a £3,000 holiday using their existing credit card, which had a 21.9% APR, with a plan to pay it off over the next 2 years or 24 months.
If they'd done this, the holiday would have cost them a total of £3,652 when paying £155 per month.
Exploring credit options before booking means you can work out how you're going to pay before you decide where to go.
So, Joe and Sarah did some research using money comparison sites. They came across a credit card that offered 0% interest on purchases for up to 25 months and, after passing the credit check, decided to get it.
With their new card, their monthly repayments over the same 24-month period would be £30 lower at £125 per month.
But what got their holiday off to an even better start was that they'd save a total of £652 in interest over the course of the 2 years, thanks to the 0% interest on their new purchases credit card.